Salesforce is a powerful customer relationship management platform. At the heart of Salesforce lies its admin configuration. This is where the magic happens. Salesforce Admin configuration is like the control center of your CRM. It allows you to customize and optimize the platform for your specific needs. With proper configuration, you can automate tasks, secure data, and gain valuable insights. This can lead to increased productivity and better decision-making. By mastering these concepts, you can unlock the full potential of Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to enhance your skills, this guide will help you. Let's dive in and discover how to make Salesforce work smarter for your business.
Section 5. Reports and dashboards, turning data into insights. Reports and dashboards are the windows into your Salesforce data. They turn raw information into actionable insights. Reports allow you to analyze your data in detail. Dashboards provide at-a-glance summaries of key metrics. Together, they form a powerful tool for data-driven decision-making. Creating reports in Salesforce is like asking questions of your data. You can filter, group, and summarize information in countless ways. For example, you might create a report showing all deals closed this quarter, grouped by sales rep. Dashboards take reporting to the next level. A dashboard can display multiple reports in a visually appealing format. The real power of reports and dashboards lies in their ability to drive action. As a Salesforce admin, your role is to create reports and dashboards that provide meaningful insights. By mastering reports and dashboards, you can help your organization leverage its Salesforce data to its fullest potential.
Section 6. Data management, maintaining clean and accurate information. Data is the lifeblood of any CRM system, and Salesforce is no exception. Effective data management ensures that your Salesforce org remains a reliable source of information. It involves importing data, maintaining data quality, and exporting data when needed. As a Salesforce admin, understanding data management is crucial for keeping your org healthy and useful. Importing data into Salesforce is often one of the first tasks for a new org. This might involve migrating data from an old system or importing leads from a trade show. Salesforce provides tools like the Data Import Wizard for simple imports. For more complex scenarios, you might use the data loader or third-party tools. The key is to plan your import carefully. Data quality is an ongoing concern in Salesforce. Over time, data can become outdated or duplicated. As an admin, you need to implement processes to maintain data quality. Exporting data from Salesforce is sometimes necessary. By mastering data management, you can ensure that your Salesforce org remains a valuable asset to your organization.
Section 7. Best practices for Salesforce admin configuration. Implementing best practices in Salesforce admin configuration can make a world of difference. These practices help ensure that your Salesforce org remains efficient, secure, and valuable to your organization. As an admin, following these best practices can save you time and headaches in the long run. One key best practice is to document everything. This includes your configuration choices, custom fields, automation rules, and more. Documentation helps you understand why certain decisions were made. It also makes it easier to train new team members or troubleshoot issues. Consider creating a configuration guide for your org. Regular maintenance is another crucial best practice. This involves periodically reviewing your org's setup. Testing is a critical best practice that's often overlooked. Before making any significant changes to your org, test them in a sandbox environment. Lastly, continuous learning is a best practice for any Salesforce admin. By embracing these best practices, you can become a more effective Salesforce admin and drive more value for your organization. Section 8. Conclusion. Empowering your business with Salesforce. As we've explored in this essay, Salesforce admin configuration is a powerful tool for businesses. It allows you to customize and optimize the platform to meet your specific needs. From automation and workflow to security and data management, each aspect plays a crucial role in making Salesforce work for you. Mastering Salesforce admin configuration is not just about technical skills. It's about understanding your business processes and finding ways to improve them. It's about ensuring that your team has the tools they need to succeed. In short, it's about empowering your business to reach its full potential. So go ahead, Dive in and start exploring the power of Salesforce Admin configuration. Your business will thank you for it.